Okay, government waste. In a Gallup poll conducted August 31st to September 2nd, 513 national adults 18 years or older who consider themselves to be Republican were asked, of every tax dollar that goes to the federal government in Washington, how many cents of each dollar would you say are wasted? The mean wasted was found to be 54 cents with a standard deviation 2.9. The same question was asked of 513 Democrats, and their wasted is the amount that they said was wasted is 41 with standard deviation 2.6. So I know I've got two sample means. Construct a 95% confidence interval. So 95% confidence interval for the mean difference of waste, mu r minus mu d. So there we go. Mu r is the average um, amount of government waste per dollar um, by Republicans, and mu d is the average amount of government waste per dollar by Democrats. Or this is what they say. Okay. Now, for my calculations, I'm going to call this mu1 and this mu2 because when I put in my calculator, I have mu1 and mu2. Okay, so conditions. Random samples. N1 and N2 are both bigger than or equal to 30. So it's okay to do my two sample t-test. And by the way, oops, there we go. Sorry, what is the, we're finding 95% confidence interval for mu r minus mu d. Okay, because in this sample, the Republicans think it's 54 and the Democrats think it's 41. So there's a difference. So we want to see just what is the population difference between the two groups, between Republicans and Democrats. Okay, so let's do a, oops. I said t-test. I am off my game here tonight because we're doing a two sample t interval. So, oops. Technical difficulties here. Two sample t interval. There it is. Yep. All right. Where's my data? X1. Now, mu1 or x1, I just called that the Republicans. So it'd be 54 cents, 2.9 cents, 513. And for the Democrats, 41, 2.6. Yeah, it's kind of a big difference. 513. Confidence level 95%. Pooled no. Calculate. All right, so we've got 12.7 and 13.3. 12.7, 13.3 for my confidence interval. And what is the interval? I will give this to you. It's x1 minus x2 plus or minus t star, and we call it the standard error. Okay, so in this one, perfectly okay if you just say 54 minus 41 plus or minus t star times standard error, because your calculator is going to calculate t star for you. And you get 12.7, 13.3. So what does that interval actually tell us? that tells us the population difference between Democrats and Republicans. The difference in waste, governmental waste per dollar, is in this range. Okay, so I'm going to say I'm 95% confident that mu r minus mu d lies between 12.7 cents and 13.3 cents. So there's a big difference in the population between how much Democrats think government wastes and how much Republicans think government wastes. Surprise, surprise, right? All right, there we go. I think we're set. And shoot me an email if you got any questions.